Let's now see how to create a photovoltaic prototype, and therefore the mix between the mounting system and the photovoltaic module. By clicking on the second icon, we will have access to the list of types that we can use. We will therefore have the typology for pitched roofs, for flat roofs, east-west structures, and structures for ground systems. We select the type of our interest, in this case a structure for a sloped roof. In the window that opens automatically, we have the possibility to choose whether we prefer a horizontal or vertical orientation of the module. Now we can take care of the photovoltaic module. We can use a custom module, specifying the height, width, nominal power, weight, and thickness of the module. Or we can choose a photovoltaic panel among inSun's main partners. We will have access to the list of producers present. It will be sufficient to select one, and we will have access to its entire product catalog. We select the series we prefer, and choose the power that interests us most. We can see that a first information of the selected module is opened. We are given the possibility to choose between different variants, in case there are multiple versions of the same module. We can also view the complete information of the panel, and analyze all the details. In addition, by clicking on Module Preview, we will immediately have access to a 3D environment, from which it will be possible to analyze the chosen module at 360 degrees. It is also possible to explode the view of the module, in order to analyze each component. Once the mix of mounting system and module has been chosen, we can decide to rename the prototype. By clicking on Create Prototype, it will be created and inserted in a list that will include all the prototypes created, so that you have free choice on the module to use. Let's now create a new prototype, this time selecting a flat roof structure. Exactly as before, we have the possibility to choose the layout of the module and modify it. We can decide to change the panel, or keep the same one previously used. Let's rename this prototype as well, and click on Create Prototype. Also, this new creation will be added to the list of created prototypes.